back to the greenhouse. We here with another video today. So a few videos back, before we went on our break or hiatus or whatever, I told you all that we will be posting a DIY video that we did for my birthday. This is that video. My birthday was in December. It is now May, so yes, we are 5 months late, but better late than never, okay? Actually, this footage was severely damaged. This was like a 40-minute long video that we recorded for you guys, and I had to chop it down so small. This is a very short video because the visual was like blinking, the audio was glitching, it wouldn't download, it was just all kind of stuff. So I hope that you can get what you can and follow along with the steps I was able to salvage. So for my 33rd birthday this year, it was very mellow. Aaron asked me what I wanted for my birthday, and I simply just wanted more greenery, more foliage in my living room. We sit in there a lot, we spend a lot of time in there, and I just wanted to feel more inspired, bring some greenery in the room. The living room is a room that we never really finished, so it's kind of like just humdrum in there. So I wanted to add a little pizzazz and get some more house plants. However, we didn't have anywhere to put more house plants, so Aaron decided that he would build me these beautiful shelves right in the corner by our window, so we could put some more house plants. Shameless plug, if you are in the Atlanta area, our family business, KellyGreene Home Services, Aaron does build these shelves as a service. So if you are in the Atlanta area, like I said, and you want to add some shelving to your home, contact us, hit us up, let us know. You can visit our website, our phone number is posted, give us a call and we can give you a free consultation. So another thing I wanted to add to our living room is a gallery wall. I just wanted to bring some family pictures into the space again, just for some warmth and coziness and intimacy and inspiration. So I got some frames and ended up printing some pictures of some family pictures, and me and the kids put those in the frames, and you'll see us hanging those pictures. Here is the final reveal. It turned out so nice. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it's been 5 months since we've done this, and I'm so in love. These are the house plants that we have so far. I did have another one. It was a prayer plant, but baby, I could not keep her alive. I mean, it really shocked me how hard it was to care for that plant, the prayer plant. It's called something else too. I'll put it in the description box. But yeah, that one was really hard to keep up. But these, the one at the bottom is a Chinese money plant. I'm really enjoying her. At the top we have a Birds of Paradise that I got from my friend Danielle. And then I forgot the name of this, the other plant there, I forgot. I also have a baby snake plant onto the gallery wall. Oh my God, love it. Love it so much. It really filled out the space the way I wanted to. Not too much color in here because y'all know how I feel about a bunch of color in places that I sit a lot. But I love the simplicity of it. I love the wooden frames that we went with as opposed to black frames. I actually ended up exchanging those previous frames and I love it. All the accents go well together. I'm so pleased. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love and light. See y'all later.